Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and removing all power sources so you won't short anything. Once done, flip the T480 and remove the bottom panel screws in a counterclockwise pattern. Make sure to note screw locations. Use a plastic pry tool to lift the panel gently. Metal force will damage clips. Ground yourself to avoid static discharge. A wrist strap is ideal. Remove the 5-inch bay or M2 SSD bracket screws to expose the drive and mounting points so you can access the existing SSD. You'll now remove the old SSD by unscrewing the single retaining screw and pulling the drive out gently at a slight angle. Avoid bending the board. Compare the new drive to confirm M2 key type or 5-inch dimensions. Insert the replacement by angling it into the M2 slot or seating the 5-inch drive into its bay, then lower and fasten the retaining screw. Make sure the connector is fully seated and the drive is flush, because a loose connection causes boot failures. Reattach the bottom cover and screws, reinstall the battery, and power on the laptop while pressing Enter, then F1 or F2 to enter BIOS. Once in BIOS, check storage devices to confirm the new SSD appears. Make sure it's set in the boot order if you plan to install an OS. If the drive doesn't appear, power down and reseat the SSD. Verify the retaining screw isn't over-torqued. Try another slot if available, and update the BIOS firmware. This often resolves detection issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.